The keys to overcoming social anxiety: build your confidence and connect with others more easily. Social anxiety is a common condition that affects many people. It is an intense fear of being judged or evaluated by others in social situations, which can make it difficult to connect with people. It is characterized by an intense fear of social situations. People with social anxiety often experience overwhelming worry and self-consciousness, which can lead to avoidance of these social situations altogether. It can be triggered by a variety of different incidences, including public speaking, meeting new people, attending social events, and even using public restrooms. However, the good news is that it can be overcome with some simple strategies, techniques, and practices, and you can build up your confidence and overcome your fears. The first step in overcoming social anxiety is to understand what it is and how it affects you. It can lead to physical symptoms such as sweating, shaking, and an increased heart rate, blushing, trembling, nausea, feeling shame or embarrassment, and a sense of dread or panic. The symptoms can all vary from person to person. Recognizing these symptoms and understanding what triggers your anxiety can help you better manage your emotions. Social anxiety often leads to negative thoughts and self-doubt about oneself and others. It's important to challenge these negative thoughts by questioning their validity and replacing them with more positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm going to embarrass myself," try thinking, "I can handle this situation and do my best." Practicing relaxation techniques can help. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and even meditation and positive affirmations can help calm your mind and body. Regular practice of these techniques can help you manage your anxiety in social situations. Practice exposure therapy. To get going, you can gradually try exposing yourself to certain social situations to help you desensitize your anxiety triggers over time and increase feelings of calm. Starting with smaller, less intimidating situations can help build confidence and lead to more challenging social scenarios. One effective way to overcome social anxiety is to slowly expose yourself to situations that make you feel just a little bit uncomfortable. So let's say, for example, you can start with a small step like going for a coffee at a cafe by yourself, even if you sit alone and don't talk to anyone. Then next time, try to say hello to a stranger or engage in small talk with the barista. Ask him or her how their day has been so far, or other simple chit-chat. Another idea for practicing is something as simple as saying hello to a stranger while waiting in line at the post office, or perhaps to the checkout lady, and then gradually work up to more challenging situations. Over time, your anxiety will decrease as you become more confident in social situations. Focus on others. In more intimate social situations, one way to shift your focus away from your own anxiety is to focus on the other person. Listen actively to what they are saying, ask questions, and show interest in their thoughts and experiences. This can help you feel more connected and less anxious. Practice positive self-talk. Positive self-talk can help build your confidence and reduce your anxiety. Remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments, and focus on your goals and aspirations. Seek support by joining a support group. These can oftentimes be found on social media. Just do a search online for groups that you feel may work for you, or for local groups if you prefer to meet up in person. With these groups, you'll be with like-minded people who have similar problems as you, so you can talk through your issues with them. You could also discuss what is working for others or not. This type of guidance and support can be very helpful for coping and dealing with your problems and moving forward to be in a better mental health space. If your social anxiety is severe or interfering with your daily life, it may be helpful to seek professional help. A mental health professional can work with you to develop a treatment plan or therapy. Overcoming social anxiety takes time and effort, but with practice and persistence, you can build your confidence and connect with others more easily. Take small steps each day, challenge negative thoughts, and focus on the positive. You can also try out some basic relaxation techniques to help assist you, as these may help when you feel an anxiety attack coming on, to soothe and help calm you down. If you feel an anxiety attack coming on in a social situation, there are several things you can do to help manage your symptoms. Focusing on your breathing can help you relax and reduce feelings of anxiety. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Use grounding techniques such as focusing on your senses, as these can help you stay present in the moment and reduce feelings of panic. Also try to focus on the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. Practice positive self-talk. Remind yourself that it's normal to feel anxious in social situations and that you are capable of managing your symptoms. Use positive affirmations and focus on your strengths. Take a break. If you feel overwhelmed, excuse yourself from the situation for a few minutes. Step outside for some fresh air or go to the restroom for a moment and collect yourself. Visualize a positive outcome for the social situation you're in. Imagine yourself feeling confident and comfortable and focus on that image. Remember, it's important to be gentle and compassionate with yourself when experiencing social anxiety. Don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay to take breaks or step away from a situation if you need to. With practice and support, you can learn to manage your social anxiety and feel more comfortable in social situations over time. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you. And if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.